Your grandchildren are your pride and joy until their behavior becomes a cause for concern. Have manners gone missing in today's world, you wonder? Well, don't worry. Kim Francis here with ideas for incorporating etiquette into their young lives. Kim is a certified etiquette and manners instructor and the owner of the Etiquette Factory by Miss Kim. So welcome to the show.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Now remember, we're talking about the grandparents. You know, we don't want to try to teach things that might be stepping on the parents, I mean, our children's toes.
Yes. Well, a wonderful way to do that is to start to set traditions. As a grandparent, you can invite them over and have a wonderful dinner or teach them things as please and thank you. You want this to lead into other ways of teaching them without stepping on anyone's toes.
Okay, and or bringing up traditions that the family has.
Yes.
Let them get involved in all of that.
Absolutely. There's quite a few ways that you can set the traditions. You could start by inviting everyone over for dinner and having the grandchildren help you set the table, make it special, maybe make a place setting and use linens, and why not bring out the beautiful china?
Ooh, you have a helper for the children.
I do. That is a placemat that I utilize, and this is a basic setting. As you can notice, there's 3 forks, 2 spoons, and 1 knife. That's a standard setting, and by utilizing that setting, the children can take home these skills and be able to do it on their own.
Okay. Those meals might be messy, but we're trying to get them to understand how to really keep it to a minimum. Right?
Yes. Well, you know, you want to make it special. You want to maybe ahead of time let them know what's going to be expected of them at the restaurant or at the dining experience. You want to remind them of the silverware and the way to utilize it. They're going to look to you for advice and help along the way.
Now, my tables don't look quite like that. It's usually a handful of forks dropped in the middle, so I might need that placemat later on for myself. So you're helping them know what to do, when to do it. There's another area. I mean, we're talking about meals a lot here.
Yes.
But I think one really lost area of etiquette is expressing your thanks for,
yes.
You know, a birthday present, you get a check in the mail from a relative or something. Writing thank you notes, I was required to do that, and I think it's just kind of lost.
Well, it's very special to receive a thank you note, and that's something that you should instill to your grandchildren. Yes, there's some situations where a text is okay and an email is okay, but actually taking the time to write a thank you note means more because it's out of your handwriting and out of your thoughts. A wonderful thing that you can do with your grandchildren is to create a thank you note kit and include, for example, some thank you cards, envelopes, some postage. Teach them how to put together a thank you note and come up with the right words. And actually do this with them. Maybe they receive something and it'll be nice to send out a note and thanks.
Is it appropriate? I see those thank you notes where you just put on stickers and all they have to do is write for the nice toy, Is that okay? Or are we really talking about the lost art?
Well, that's wonderful for the younger ones. You could start as young as age 2 to start teaching etiquette. And that would be ideal for the toddlers or even, a little bit younger, like 7 to 8. But as they get older and they're able to come up with their own thoughts, a thank you note would make it special.
Okay. My granddaughter's birthday party is coming up, and I'm going to make her do that too. As a grandparent, you can establish that etiquette is important while still enjoying every minute with your grandchildren. Follow Kim's tips to make the learning fun. And for more help, use the information that's coming up next. And thank you very much, Kim, for joining us today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Find out more by calling the Etiquette Factory by Miss Kim at 330-888-2308 or log on to www.etiquetteohio.com.